Well, we're just going through an implementation for LSNav for the first time, and the big change that we're trying to bring about in the business is moving from a business that's driven by intuition and experience to a business that's driven by information and data. So that's getting that change across is partly about systems, but partly about the way people think and about the way people work. So that's our big challenge, really. We're working with LS Retail and K3, our partners in the UK. We've managed to come up with a solution that will work for different types of stores within our organisation, and that means that, you know, as Wasabi grows both in the UK and in the US, we've got a scalable solution that is very flexible. And it was very interesting when we were doing the selection exercise that we struggled to find organisations that were willing to grow with us over the next few years. They were either right for us now or they would be right for us in a few years' time. But finding an organisation that wanted to come on the journey with us is really the key. You know, we've got the product and we're working on customising it, or configuring it to what we need it to do. But then when we give feedback to K3 and to LS to say, actually, we'd like this feature, or this feature doesn't quite work the way we expected it to be, then they're really open to suggestions, and they're just so keen to kind of live by that mantra of easier, simpler and faster, that when we come up with suggestions for it will be easier if, or it will be simpler if, then they want to hear it, which is really refreshing.